Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So this video is all dedicated over an IELTS exam, which is IELTS Academic. So let me just start with the full form of an IELTS. So you people know that IELTS stand for International English Language Testing System. So this particular exam is actually designed to judge the English proficiency of the candidates who want to study abroad and want to migrate to the countries like United Kingdom, USA, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, right? Talking about the format of an IELTS exam, it has 4 modules that are listening, reading, speaking, and writing. In listening, you have to solve 40 questions, and for that you are given 30 minutes in which you have to listen, in which an audio tape would be played where you have to simultaneously listen and write down your answers, and then 10 extra minutes are given to shift your answers from question paper to the transfer sheet or the answer sheet, right? So again, listening has 4 sections: section 1, 2, 3 and 4. In section 1, usually there is a conversation between two people on general or everyday topic. Then in section 2, there's just one speaker who usually talks about some information. And then in section 3, there's a conversation between 2 to 4 people. It could be 3 or 2 or 4 people, and they usually talk about something. They have like context of training or some educational content. And then in section 4, there is some lecturer who gives lecture or speech, and that is again based over some educational talk. As you can see, this is the kind of paper listening test you get. This is section 1, and you have to complete the notes below, and here are further questions. It's kind of map. Then comes section 2, and these are again the fill ups, and here is the information that you have to fill. Then comes section 3, where there are a few MCQs, and then this is again the section 3. It's section 4, and again you have to answer the questions, and total of 40 questions you have, and you are given around 30 minutes. 30 minutes of audio is played, and simultaneously you have to listen to that audio and also write answers over this sheet, and then you have to transfer the answers to your answer sheet, right? And then comes your reading module, and in reading you are given 60 minutes to solve around 40 questions. Just have a look here. This is reading passage 1, and here comes your passage 1. Then this is the passage 1, and these are the questions around 12 to 13 questions, or 13 to 14 questions are there in each passage. This is passage 1, and for passage 1 you are given 20 minutes. You have to spend 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes, right? And then comes your passage 2. This is the passage 2, and here are the questions, and again there are 13 to 14 questions. And then passage 3, and here are the questions. There are total of 40 questions, right? You have to solve these 40 questions in time period of 60 minutes, and individually you have to spend this 20 minutes. And guys, then comes here another module, which is speaking, and it has 3 parts. And yes, let me tell you one more thing, that speaking is organized one or the other day before or after your main exam, and your main exam consists of 3 modules, which is listening, reading and writing. Okay, and speaking is of around 15 to 20 minutes, and you have 3 parts. In part 1, there is like introduction, or it's kind of an interview of around 4 to 5 minutes. And then comes the part 2, where you are given clue card. Clue card means a topic is given where you have to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes, and for that 1 minute preparation time would be given to a candidate. And then comes part 3, in which the examiner would ask you the questions that are actually linked to the topic, linked to the part 2 or your clue card, right? And that's generally of 5 to 6 minutes, and it takes around 15 to 20 minutes of whole interview kind of session. And guys, then your last module is writing, where You have 2 tasks to complete within the time period of 60 minutes, and in task 1 you have to do a bar graph or a pie chart, line graph, table chart, flow chart, a process chart, or combination of 2 or more charts, and those charts contain some kind of figures or details, and you have to express and write those details into the words. And these words are, I list 150 words, minimum of 150 words. And then comes your task 2, where you have to write an essay over the topic, and the topic could be based over some research areas. It could be over like technology, science, pollution, education, environment, anything, right? And here you have to write around 250 words, I guess. Yes, around 250 words in task 2, and total of 60 minutes are given, where in which you have to do both the tasks. And one more thing, the very important thing is that each module is of 9 band. Each module is of 9 band. You get bands from 9 in each module individually. So that is it, guys. Please follow this channel for more such videos. I would be posting the videos of writing task 1 and writing task 2, and each and every details of writing, so that you can score good bands of 7, 8 in writing. And then comes your reading and listening, so that you can score good bands of 9 in both the modules. So I would be posting the videos of reading, like as per the passage, I mean of reading passage 1, passage 2, passage 3 with their names. I would be posting all the videos, and also the videos of true and false, and or more such questions. I would be taking few questions, and then would share some tips and tricks with you all to get good bands in IELTS. Thank you.